Lynn. Nice to meet you, Lynn. Thank you for having us here. Okay, tell us more about your company.
Okay, so first of all, welcome to our booth and thank you for having me here today. So I'm Lynn from Chen Toys Company, and our company was founded in 2003 with over 22 years of experience in toy manufacturing.
Wow, it's a lot. And I know that you have the company is from Korea, so you have also office in Korea and office in China.
Yes, so we now operate a factory in China, Shantou, Chenghai, with over 10,000 square meters and with over 100 employees.
Wow, it's a lot. And you told me also that the designer, though, they are all Korean of your toys.
Yes, in the past 2 decades, we have mainly focused on the South Korea and Japan markets. We have a strong partnership with these Korean designers. So all of our products, they are designed in Korea and manufactured in China.
What is your main market?
South Korean and Japan.
Of course. And which kind of a certification do you have?
We have whole various of certificates that meet the standard of the international markets. So let me show you.
Yeah. Great. Let's go.
So we have the EN71 and 62115 and also a bunch of certificates for Japanese and Korean markets. In fact, we are proud to be one of the biggest toy suppliers in South Korean markets.
Wow, that's incredible. So that's the time to show me what is your best-selling product.
So as I mentioned earlier, it's very nicely designed.
Wow.
And it's very lifelike with realistic features and details. And
let's show it a little bit better first.
Yeah. Okay.
And can we try it?
Yeah, sure. With a remote control. So you will probably have to put it down on the ground. And we have a big one and with a small package as well to meet the customer's need.
And can they customize the package?
Yeah, sure.
What is the MOQ for this product?
So for the original one, it's 1,000 pieces, and for customized, it's 3,000 pieces.
So what about the new product that you have right now?
The new product that we have is this very adorable steering wheel, okay, that we have. Okay, so it's a driving simulator. Okay, so you can use, kids can play it with the steering wheel and to simulate the real driving experience. Okay, so the screen can constantly moving to stimulate the real driving experience.
It's incredible.
Yes.
And this one, the package can be customized too, right?
Sure. And these two little characters are our licensed characters. They are also
the same, right? So this one belongs to them. You have the copyright. It's
we have the
your
copyright.
IP.
Yeah, it's designed by the Korean company Wi-Fun, and we have the license. Okay, so this is the Chinese phone number, and this is the Korean one, and we also have an email address that you can send me email.
So the email address is tlsdnrwls89@naver.com or 19655600030@qq.com. So those are the two email addresses, or you can contact the email address.